Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are doing something super exciting. Yes, an English present simple worksheet. I know. Try to stay calm. All right, let's start with the first task. Task 1. Choose the correct word. She plays tennis every Saturday with her friends. Plays. They eats dinner at a restaurant once a week. Eat. He watches travel videos on YouTube in the evening. Watches. We goes to the gym after school on Mondays. Go. My sister likes cooking Italian food at home. Likes. I drinks coffee every morning before school. Drink. Because I need it. Task 2. Make sentences plays every football weekend with his friends. He plays football every weekend with his friends. Boom. Football legend. Do you eat morning every? Do you eat breakfast every morning? If not, why are you like this? Usually, she to school bus goes by. She usually goes to school by bus. Public transport queen. They do TV evening in the... Do they watch TV in the evening? Important life question. Cooks dinner, always at home. My mother always cooks dinner at home. Respect to all moms. Where do you? Where do you live? Not creepy at all. Task 3. Correct or incorrect? Okay, first sentence. She usually goes running in the park. Okay, that sounds correct. She goes, not go. Grammar queen. So I'm giving this a correct. Next one. They travels to different countries. Wait, travels? With they? Nope, that's illegal. Grammar police. This is incorrect. Next. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Okay, normal human behavior, hopefully. Correct. My brother play football. Oh no, my brother needs an S. He plays, not play. Incorrect. We often cook dinner together. Aw, that's wholesome. Also correct. He don't like eating vegetables. He don't? No. He doesn't. This is incorrect. I swim. Short, simple, mysterious. I like it. Task 4. Make questions. She plays the piano every evening after school. Does she play the piano every evening? They go hiking in the mountains on weekends. Do they go hiking in the mountains on weekends? He collects stamps from different countries. Does he collect stamps from different countries? We watch movies together on Friday nights. Do you watch movies together on Friday nights? Alright guys, that's it for today. We made it through the whole present simple lesson together, and honestly, I'm proud of you, and a little proud of myself too. We corrected mistakes, built sentences, asked questions, and hopefully, present simple is not that scary anymore. Remember, small steps every day equals big progress over time. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who also struggles with English. We all know someone. Thanks for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.